Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your profile picture in WhatsApp step by step, whether you are using Android or iPhone. These tutorials will guide you through everything from choosing the perfect photo to adjusting privacy setting so only the people you want can see your picture. So grab your phone and let's get started. The first step is simple. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you are logging into your account because you need to have an active account to change your profile picture. Once WhatsApp open, you will see your chat list. Don't worry, you are not going into chat yet. Your profile settings are just a few steps away. Now we need to access your setting. For Android users, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the app, then select Setting from the menu. For iPhone users, tap Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. The setting page is where you can manage your profile, privacy, notifications, and more. At the top of the setting page, you will see your name and current profile photo. Tap on your profile picture. This is where you can see your current photo in full size or the default gray icon if you haven't added one yet. If you don't have a profile picture, don't worry, you will fix that in the next step. Once you tap the photo, you will see a camera icon and edit option. Tap it. Now you will see three options. Take photo. Use your phone camera to snap new picture right away. Choose from gallery. Select a photo you already have saved on your phone. Remove photo. Delete your current photo if you want to go back in the default icon. Choose the options that work best for you. Here are steps. Make sure your photo is clear and choose your face if you want your friends to recognize you easily. After you pick your photo, WhatsApp will let you crop or adjust it, zoom in or out, center your face or the subject. Make sure nothing important to cut off. Once it looks perfect, tap Done to save. And that is it. Your new WhatsApp profile picture is now updated. Now, let's make sure only people you want can see your photo. Go back to the setting, tap Privacy, tap Profile Photo. Here you will see four options. Anyone who has your number can see your photo. My contacts. Only people saved in your contact can see it. My contact except. Hide your photo from specific people. Nobody. Hide your photo from everyone. Make your profile picture fun or professional depending on who you chat with. Update your photo regularly to keep it fresh. Avoid blurry or low quality images that don't look good on WhatsApp. If you want, edit a WhatsApp status to let friends know you changed your profile picture. And that's everything you need to know about changing your WhatsApp profile picture in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.